we have to make a deal. I will show you how to increase the quality of a recording inside OBS, but you will watch the whole video. And this is very important because you can mess up some settings, but I can assure you after this video your recordings will have a higher quality than before you watch it. So pay attention until the end and don't modify any settings until you finish it, and after that you'll see exactly what to modify. So that being said, let's get this video started. Hey, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to increase the quality of a recording inside OBS. As an example, I have recorded right here a footage, and tell me if your footage looks something like that. You can see here the blur, you can see the textures, the entire recording is messed up. So that's an easy fix, and I'll show you right now how to do it. I have the OBS right here, and you have to open the file, now settings. Alright, now you have to go to output and recording. Feel free to copy the settings which I have right here. I will scroll down and I will explain to you what's messing up the quality. The bitrate right here, the lower the bitrate, the lower quality the recording will be, and as higher as better, but don't increase it over 20,000 because that's a little bit too much and you may have other problems after that. I have been that way, trust me, don't go that way. So by default OBS, I think it's 6,000, somewhere around that. And the recording which you saw with the Minecraft earlier was recorded on 3000 or 2000 bitrate. And my current bitrate of this recording as well is on 12,000. What else you'll have to do now at preset? Also, this will affect the quality, but keep in mind, the higher you'll go, the higher quality your recording will have. But also this depends on your computer specs as well. And even with my specs, this is not a budget PC. Even with these specs, if I will increase all the way to the maximum, as an example, the preset, if I'll go something like that and 20,000, then I will have other problems, and I can assure you that. So don't exaggerate with that. Even I will keep the bitrate at 12,000, and also the preset I'm keeping it on good quality or better quality. Now I forgot to mention, but copy the encoder settings, not the recording, because my settings are for NVIDIA's GPUs. And what else can you do now after you copy? You copied these settings, you can also go to video and make sure the resolution right here is set to your monitor resolution. All right, I can't edit it right now because I am also recording. Let's not press on save because I am recording at the same time. How can you see what's the resolution of your monitor? Well, right click on the desktop, go to display settings. I have it right here. All right, this is the monitor you're watching right now, and here you will see the recommended. Well, this is the resolution of your monitor. You have to make sure you will put inside OBS the same resolution at settings and video right here. So shortly, if you modify these settings, I can assure you that your recording will have a better quality than that before you watch this video. So that being said, thank you a lot for watching. Leave your thoughts down in the comments, and if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to smash up the like button. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.